In this video, let's see SUMIF and IFS condition for industry purposes. We are now moving into intermediate level to make it easier to comfortable working in Excel for financial modelers, investment bankers, basically for financial sector people. So let's get started. This table consists of 10,000 ranges of cells. So clicking on, dragging on will be quite tedious task and time consuming. So let's make it comfortable by using some shortcut keys and formulas when working on large Excels. Okay, here a table is given with date, sales rep, product, units, price, tables, total sales, city, region, day. Okay, here we have to calculate maximum, minimum, average sales and total sales. Let's start here with total sales. As it is simple formula, sum of total sales range, close the braces, enter. Okay, for maximum also, same max, open braces, total sales, close. So the maximum value of the total sale in this table is 12,000 is the maximum sale we have done. So next here in minimum as well as same here for minimum table, close. Okay, for average sale is same average of total sales braces, close braces, enter. So 1022.6625 is the average sales. Okay, for next table, let's dive into next table. Here, condition is given. They're asking us to calculate the total sales only for the particular region, north, east, west, and south. So here we have to use SUMIF condition. As there is one condition is asked, so SUMIF, the range is north. So regions we have to give, and the criteria should be north, comma, the sum ranges total sales. Close the braces. So we have received the sales for north consecutively for other locations as well. Okay, let's get into next table here. Days are given and the quantity is also given. So here are two conditions are used. If there are more conditions, if more than one condition, we have to use some ifs. So let's start with some ifs. Open braces, sum ranges, total sales, comma. The criteria range 1 is the day. So we have to click the day. And the criteria is Sunday, comma. The criteria range 2 is quantity. So give on units range, comma. The criteria 2 is less than 10. So give double quotes less than 10, more than 10, closing double quotes, close the braces, enter. We have received for others as well. Okay, let's go to next table. Here a total sales they are asking and the total quantity sold also for the particular cities. So give SUMIF. The range is the city, comma. The criteria is Ranchi, comma. The sum range is total sales. Close the braces, enter. Okay, so the total quantity sold is also same, SUMIF. The range is city range, comma. The criteria is Ranchi, comma. The sum range is total sales. Here we have to use the sum range of units, not the total sales part, because they're asking us to calculate the total quantity sold. So units, close the braces, enter. So since they're asking us to calculate total quantity sold, we are calculating the units part. Okay, let's go to the next table. Here a table is given with multiple conditions like product is given, specific products are given in the location north and after and before dates are given. So let's start with the first column here. Not for the north location, we have to calculate only for the product Nestle Aero Mint Pops. Let's start with the formula of sum ifs. Since there are multiple conditions, sum ifs, the sum range is total sales, comma, the criteria range 1 is, let's give product, comma, the criteria is Nestle Aero Mint Pops, comma, the criteria range 2 is, we have to click on the region, comma, the north. which is here we'll use a formula here as SUMIFs, open braces, the sum range is total sales, comma, the criteria range 1 is the product, comma, Nestle Aero Mint Pops is the criteria, comma, the criteria range 2 is north, comma, and the criteria range is region. So region is the criteria range 2. Comma the north. Close the braces, but before that the north should be fixed. So let's give with function F4 to freeze the formula. Close the braces, enter. We have received. I'll repeat this formula again. Here sum ifs, open braces, sum range is the total sales, comma, the criteria range 1 is product we are taking, comma, and the product for is Nestle Aero Mint Pops, comma, and the criteria range 2 is region, comma, and the value should be, and the criteria is north. Let's freeze this formula so that it won't get changed. Okay. We have received the value for the specific product only for the particular north location. Okay. So here next column we have to calculate for April 1, 2014. After April 2014, April 1, we have to add this criterion. We have to calculate the total sales amount. So if I drag this formula, the value get changed. So I should not, since we are using the same criteria for product and north location, we have to just add this criteria alone. So we can use the same formula. So if we copy and paste here, the value will get changed. Here, see, you can see the values changed. So for copying a formula, you click on this value and go to that label and copy here and give escape button and come here and give paste. Now the value is not changed and cell ranges also does not change. The formula doesn't affect when you copy in the label section. Okay, now you remove the braces, give comma, and you have to add the another criteria of the date range, comma, and you give in double quotes as we have to give for April after 1 April 2014. So which is more than 1 April 2014, double quotes, close the braces, enter. So we have received for this particular date also. More than, which is more the dates more than 1 April 2014, we have calculated the total sales for that location as well. Okay, next column, they are asking us to calculate before 10 October 14. So which is less than 10/10/2014. So you copy the same formula here. Copy, escape button, give, paste. So come here and remove braces, remove the dates as well, give which is less than, arrow, give 10 October 10 of October to 2014. Double quotes, close the braces, enter. We have received for this particular data as well. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can comment me and I will keep uploading more Excel for financial modeling and investment banking bank candidates as well. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.